Hey guys, so screen recorders have always been a problem for me because I either get a free version which will have a premium version to it, so I'll have to pay for extra features, or you'll be asked to sign up and do stuff like that, or they'll try to put watermark on your video, and unless you get their premium version they won't remove it, or they might put a limit on the duration of the video you can record. So these are the few things that annoys me a lot, but recently I found this beautiful screen recorder, and the best part is that it's very easy to install because it is not really an application, because it is an extension. So currently it is available for Chrome and Edge. All you got to do is type in scre.io extension. You can either visit their official website, or you can go straight to the Chrome extension page and install it. Once you install that, you can see, this is the overview. It is free to use, no sign up is required, no watermarks. You can record unlimited videos, and it is absolutely free for now. You get an interface like this where you can record just the screen. You can record the camera or screen plus camera, and once you click any of those options, you can use your microphone system sounds. You can integrate with it, or you can just use a system sound, or you can even get it muted. And as long as privacy is concerned, what they claim is that they did not store any of the videos. All of this is done in the client side, being an extension. So if you are a privacy concerned person, maybe you should look up on that. I'm really happy with the screen recorder application, so I guess you guys should check it out too. So yep, thank you, peace out.